Hi friends, TCS has announced its September 2025 quarterly results, and once again, India's largest IT company has delivered solid performance. Revenue growth remains steady, profit margins are holding up well, and the company continues to reward shareholders with generous dividends. Let's break down the results in detail and see how TCS is navigating the global slowdown. In the September 2025 quarter, TCS reported revenue of 65,799 crores compared to 64,259 crores in the same quarter last year. That's a 2.4% growth year-on-year and a 3.7% rise quarter-on-quarter from June, where revenue was 63,437 crores. While the growth looks modest, it's still strong considering the uncertain global tech spending environment. TCS's large client base and diversified portfolio have helped it maintain stable momentum. Now, coming to profitability. The profit before tax this quarter stood at 16,068 crores compared to 16,032 crores a year ago. After paying taxes of around 3,937 crores, net profit came in at 12,131 crores, which is up slightly from 11,955 crores last year. If we look at the 6-month performance, TCS earned 24,950 crores in profit between April and September 2025, compared to 24,060 crores in the same period last year. That is a 3.7% growth in half-year profits, despite restructuring costs of 1,135 crores booked during this quarter. TCS continues to manage cost efficiently even in a high inflation environment. Employee costs were 38,606 crores, forming almost 59% of total expenses. Other expenses stood at 8,248 crores. Depreciation and amortization came in at 1,413 crores. Finance costs were 229 crores, quite low for a company of this size. Overall, total expenses were 49,463 crores, leaving an operating margin of about 26%, showing how well TCS continues to run its business with efficiency and scale. Earnings per share for this quarter stood at 33.37 rupees compared to 32.92 rupees last year. The board of directors has also declared a second interim dividend of 11 rupees per share, payable on November 4th, 2025 to shareholders on record as of October 15th, 2025. This continues TCS's track record of consistent dividends, 22 rupees per share in the first half of fiscal year 2025 compared to 20 rupees per share last year. TCS generated 24,944 crores in cash from operations during the first half of fiscal year 2025 compared to 21,999 crores last year, an increase of nearly 13%. Despite spending on capex, dividends, and buybacks, the company continues to maintain strong positive cash flow and a growing cash balance, a rare consistency even among global IT giants. If you observe the global business of TCS, the company continues to see demand in areas like cloud migration, AI-driven automation, and digital transformation. While North America growth has slowed slightly, TCS is gaining traction in Europe and emerging markets. The restructuring initiative is aimed at making operations leaner and more agile in the medium term. So, overall, TCS has delivered another steady quarter. Revenue up 2%, net profit up 1.5%, strong cash flows, and a healthy 11 rupees per share dividend declared. Even in a challenging global environment, TCS continues to demonstrate why it's considered India's IT backbone: consistent, profitable, and shareholder friendly. The next few quarters will show how the restructuring improves margins. But for now, it's yet another quarter of solid, dependable performance from TCS.